Hey there! Have you ever found it difficult to communicate effectively in another language? With Jasper.ai, language barriers are a thing of the past. Allow me to introduce you to Jasper.ai and its exciting features. Jasper.ai is a powerful language tool that aims to break down language barriers. This innovative AI technology offers language translations at lightning speeds, allowing users to effectively communicate without hesitation. Jasper.ai offers different pricing plans with features that cater to various needs. Choose from basic, standard, or premium plans and enjoy features such as unlimited translations, priority support, and more. With plans starting as low as $9.99 a month, you can enjoy all the features Jasper.ai has to offer at an affordable price. Not only does Jasper.ai provide efficient and accurate translations, but it also enhances productivity. Imagine being able to translate documents, emails, and messages in seconds. That's what Jasper.ai can do for you. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive design, you'll be translating texts with ease and efficiently communicating across language barriers. Jasper.ai also offers additional features, such as the ability to translate audio files and the creation of customizable phrasebooks. But don't just take our word for it. The positive feedback from our satisfied users is a testament to the effectiveness of Jasper.ai. From small business owners to students studying abroad, Jasper.ai has helped countless individuals communicate in a stress-free and efficient manner. While we take all feedback seriously and strive to improve, it's important to note that common concerns are few and far between. To recap, Jasper.ai is a game-changer in the language translation world with its fast, reliable, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a business owner expanding globally or someone who loves to travel, Jasper.ai can make communicating across language barriers a breeze. With affordable pricing and a wealth of satisfied customers, Jasper.ai is definitely worth the investment.